Hello YouTube, this is Zeppelin3265 and we're here for my friend Evan's bike check. Last night he just got a couple new parts, so here we go.
Okay, so ordered some new parts a while ago and just got them put on. So I'll start from the top down. We got ODI Longnecks with ODI bar ends, came with them. Stock brake levers. Odyssey grips with just the Hyper name on them. Mongoose stem, same as the one it came with, just it put a Sunday sticker on there. Makes it look nice. Okay, and then we got stock brakes, stock fork, stock rims and wheels, haven't failed me yet, stock hub, so that's all stock right there. Then we come over to this and with my fancy Fox sticker, my hot Hyper frame, my Eastern Stealth cranks with Haro recycled PC pedals, Haro, stock chain, stock back wheel, stock back brakes, stock seat clamp, stock seat, padded. I know it's big, but it's comfy. I'm a buttock. My Hyper bike sticker right here, my left crank. That is my bike. A lot of stock stuff, but it's still fancy.